Keeping your GoodNotes organized does not have to be hard at all. Let me show you how to move around documents and create folders in GoodNotes so that your GoodNotes is super organized and neat and you can find all of your stickers. If your GoodNotes documents looks a lot like mine and is super messy and just has all of these files, this tutorial is everything that you need to learn how to move documents around in GoodNotes and get it organized. So, first thing you want to do to organize it is probably to create some folders. So what you can do as far as your folders, they all live down at the bottom. And you can create folders for like sticker sets, for widgets, for planners, for every kind of different file or section of things that you might have. So I have my sticker set folder here, and then within that it has them broken up into summer, winter, holidays, Valentine's Day, Christmas, all those different things here. So what you want to do to create this is you're going to go to Documents, you're going to go up here to New, and then you can create a folder. So let's say I want to create a 2026 planners folder because I have a lot of 2026 planners just hanging out here. So I'm going to make 2026 planners. I'm going to make it purple, and on the icon I'll just choose this book, and then I'm going to hit done. So now I'm going to click right here where these like 4 boxes are, and then I'm going to hit select items. Now I can click on all of my 2026 planners down through here. I've got a couple of them that I've made, and they're just all kind of here. Click on everything that is a 2026 planner or that I want in my 2026 planner folder, and then I'm going to click right here on move. And when I do that, it's going to pop up with everything that's under documents, and it's going to have these folders. So I'm going to click on 2026 planners and then move. And I can see all of those moved. I can hit done, and if I go to 2026 planners, they're all going to be right there under 2026 planners. I can do the same with my stickers. So I have a ton of stickers just like free floating here. So I'm going to hit select items, and then I'm just going to move these all into the sticker sets folder and not the subfolder. So I'm going to click all these sticker sets, and then that's good enough. So I'm going to hit move, and then I'm going to go down here sticker sets, and I'm not going to click any of these subfolders. I'm just going to click sticker sets and then move. And now I'm going to go to done. I'm going to go down here to my sticker sets, and I can see all these documents just floating here, but they're not in these subfolders. So now what you can do, you can either do the same exact way that we've been doing, and you can select them up here and go to move, or you can drag and drop. So like on these monthly stickers, I would consider them everyday stickers because I can use them every day of the year. So I'm just going to drag them into everyday. Pumpkin spice, that would be fall. So I'm going to drag those into fall. January, that's winter, drag into winter. And you can continue doing this until you get all of the stickers into the folder file that you want, and that's how you can organize them, an option if you wish to. A lot of people don't even organize their stickers, they just have them all in their documents. But if you want to organize your stickers, this is one way to do it, and how you can move documents around in GoodNotes and how you can add them into folders.